We have class only 2 days a week. Other than that, we're on the floor 3 days a week.
You're there from 7:30 to 4. It is a work day for you. You're working, you're learning, you're getting hands-on experience. Froedtert is a level 1 trauma center, so you do see a lot of very sick people that come in through the ER. And as a student, the techs really encourage you to get right up into action because that's the best way for you to learn.
Your first week on the floor, I remember the first thing we learn is chest x-rays, and the second patient you see one, you do one, essentially. And I think that's kind of where I was like, okay, buckle up, like this is it. All the clinical instructors we have are there to watch you succeed. They're on the floor with you, which I think is a big part of it. They're not just teaching you in the classroom.
A lot of them have gone through the program the same as you, so they know what you're going through, they know what you need, and they will give you that to succeed. Your first day that you're there, it's 14 new people that you've never met in your entire life, and you're like, I gotta spend the rest of the 2 years with them. After a couple months, you're like, I cannot imagine my life without them. You grow so close to each other. They are like your support system.
You get to see so many types of patients, from pediatrics all the way up to people who are living their best life at 99. When we're able to go into the OR, we're able to do CT, MRI. The opportunities are endless.
Many people just assume that we're just button pushers and we just take the pictures and get over with it. That is definitely not the case. You're in the operating room. You're right up there with the traumas. You're right there with the doctors. You are such a critical part of this patient's care. I think that if you're considering it, do a shadow in a hospital. See what it's like. Go follow around a tech for a day. Go follow around a student for a day.
There's no other way to really know if that's what you want to do until you get in there and you see what they're doing.